Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Cash4SMS, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn money by just receiving and sending text messages. Let's jump across and the website and find out exactly what Cash4SMS is all about. Okay, so we've come on to the Cash4SMS website, and as you can see here, it says sell your SMS you don't use, and also get SMS and get paid. And it says here SMS channel to the maximum, and you've got to install the app. So this is all done through a mobile app. So let's just show you a little bit more. It says you've got earnings on outgoing SMS as between 10 and 40 cents, and this is in euros. And you also got earnings on incoming SMS texts, which are around 20 cents. Okay, so how does this actually work? If you want to check out how it works, I think you have to just read this yourself, possibly, because I just can't speak it quick enough. It just goes through it so quickly. But basically, you will actually get paid for texts that are sent to you. Okay, so this will be from mainly from a marketing company that will be testing the deliverability of actual SMS texts, okay, in certain countries. So that's why it's obviously available worldwide. Now, there are a couple of things that do worry me a little bit with this, so make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video and we'll go through those things. You're going to get paid via PayPal apparently, and it also means you're going to actually have to get to a minimum of a €5 payout before they'll actually pay out. Though I haven't actually used Cash4SMS, I have actually used another similar app to this, which I'll put a video at the end of this video if you wanted to go and check that one out as well, called Mac Money. And I've actually been paid out with that, and it's actually gone into my PayPal account. And I've made videos on that, like I say, so if you want to check those out, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. So here are a few important things. It says we do not guarantee incoming SMSs. Okay, and it says this app does not work for everybody, and it says also the app can be disconnected at any time. And it's showing here that you've got a balance here of €234. What I've discovered from the previous website is that you're not going to get anywhere near this balance, guys. You're going to be lucky if you actually make the $5 actual payout, so you can actually pay out. Okay, so just take all this with a little bit of a pinch of salt. And the reason why I'm a bit wary about this actual website is, although I'm happy to get paid for having texts coming into my phone, what I'm not happy about is people actually sending texts from my phone, which they could be sending to absolutely anybody. So I'm not interested in having that done, which is why I'm not going to actually sign up for the Cash4SMS. And I think you should be wary of this as well, guys, that you could obviously people were going to be having texts coming from your mobile phone, so just be wary of that, especially if it's not your phone. It might be a work phone or something like that, so just be wary of that if you actually go for Cash4SMS. Like I say, I've done a video about another company, Mac Money, where you can actually just get paid for incoming texts, and they do legitimately pay out. I've actually been paid out from them, and it's gone straight into my PayPal account. So let's just search for Cash4SMS app. And the other thing that I'm not wholly okay with as well is that they're not actually on the actual Google Play website as well, which is where I would normally download the app from. And I know this is not a bad thing, because a lot of apps that I've used before, you've had to download straight into my phone rather than through the Apple Store and that. And that doesn't make it not a legit place, not a legit app, but it's just something that obviously with that, and I wouldn't be comfortable about obviously sending texts from my phone, I'm afraid, but you may be, and if you are, then obviously check out the Cash4SMS website. So check out the website at cash4sms.today. and then you can obviously then just go through the system, install the app, and then start getting paid for your texts that you receive and for ones that you actually send out. They've also got loads of general questions, incoming SMS questions, outgoing SMS questions. So just check these out before you actually go and join as well. There's probably loads more information there. They do have a contact us page as well if you have any issues. But like I say, these are fairly new site. They've only been going just over a year. So just be wary and just make sure that obviously you keep your phone and safe. And that's my main concern is obviously on the outgoing texts. If people are texting you, then fair enough, that doesn't make any difference at all. Let us know in the comments below if you've actually used them. Have you actually been paid out? Have you been using them to send SMS texts as well as receiving them? Feel free to let us know in the comments below. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.